Good morning, middle school. I want to think a little bit about the nature of time today. If you're anything like me, you've been thinking back to our time at school or thinking ahead and wondering when will the stay-at-home order be lifted? When will we be back at One Lyman campus? But of course, all we get is the now, and living in our present moment is the only way, the only place where we can find satisfaction, find learning, find fulfillment. So today I asked Daisy to help me pull from a couple of our favorite characters to think about the now, and then we'll do a little presence practice. Ready? Okay.
What day is it?
It's today.
My favorite day.
So this is an A.A. Milne quote from a Pooh Bear book. What day is it? Is today my favorite day? If we could make today our favorite day every day, then we'd always find that contentment. So finding that way to come back into the presence through the breath is one way to bring the now into greater focus. So take a comfortable seat, sit up nice and tall, and you're going to count backward from 5. And each one is an inhalation and an exhalation. So ready? Big breath in. Full breath out. And then counting down. 5, 4, don't forget to breathe.
I want to.
3, 2, 1. And whenever you lose track, you just start counting again with no judgment. So paying attention on purpose in the present moment, non-judgmentally, is that one way to come back into the now. All right, enjoy your Wednesday, and happy Passover to those who are celebrating, and I look forward to wishing a happy Easter to those of you celebrating tomorrow.